Imagine a creature that lives for over 200 years, an extraordinary feat in the animal kingdom. This is the bowhead whale, a true marvel of nature's longevity. But how does it achieve such an impressive lifespan? Scientists have been intrigued by this question for years, and their recent findings might just unlock the secrets to healthier aging for us humans too. The bowhead whale, weighing in at a massive 80 tons, has always been a bit of a mystery when it comes to its longevity. Now, researchers believe they've stumbled upon a potential answer, and it's all about DNA repair. We wanted to uncover the mechanisms behind the bowhead whale's exceptional longevity, explains Professor Vera Gorbunova, a biologist from the University of Rochester. What we discovered is intriguing. It seems their ability to repair DNA breaks is remarkably efficient. All living organisms experience DNA damage over time, and while cells try to fix it, these repairs aren't always perfect. This leads to mutations, which can increase the risk of cancer and accelerate aging. However, bowhead whales seem to have a unique advantage in this regard. Our research suggests that accurate and efficient DNA repair is a key factor in their long lives, Gorbunova adds. Through a series of experiments, the team found that bowhead whales excel at repairing a specific type of DNA damage where both strands of the double helix are severed. This superior repair mechanism results in fewer mutations, a crucial factor in maintaining cellular and tissue function over an extended lifespan. But what drives this efficient repair process? The researchers identified a protein called CIRBP, which is triggered by cold exposure. Bowhead whales, being Arctic dwellers, produce significantly more CIRBP than humans, potentially contributing to their exceptional longevity. This strategy of repairing damaged cells, rather than eliminating them, might be a key reason for the bowhead whale's low cancer rates and long life, the researchers write in their study published in Nature. To test this theory further, the team increased CIRBP levels in human cells, resulting in a doubling of the proportion of double-strand breaks that were repaired. Additional experiments on flies showed that higher CIRBP levels increased their lifespan and resilience to radiation-induced mutations. Our findings suggest there's room for improvement in human DNA repair mechanisms, Gorbunova says. The whale's ability to repair DNA is superior to ours, and this could be a key factor in their longevity. While the exact role of DNA repair in the bowhead whale's longevity is still being explored, the researchers are now studying mice with boosted CIRBP levels to see if this translates into a longer lifespan. They're also curious about whether cold water swimmers or those who take cold showers have higher CIRBP levels, and if so, how long this effect lasts. We need to determine if brief cold exposure is sufficient to trigger this response, or if we need to explore other methods, Gorbunova explains. Not everyone is keen on cold swims, so we're looking at potential pharmacological solutions too. Professor Gabriel Balmas, a DNA damage and repair expert at the UK Dementia Research Institute, Cambridge, comments, enhancing DNA repair in our cells could theoretically slow aging and associated diseases, as seen in other species. However, translating this to humans is complex, requiring a delicate balance between resilience and the body's natural renewal limits. So, could the bowhead whale's secret to longevity be the key to healthier aging for humans? Only time and further research will tell. But one thing's for sure, this whale's story is a fascinating glimpse into the potential of DNA repair and its role in aging.